Hello friends, welcome to my channel Growing Up With You, wherein today we'll be doing a project on myself, wherein a child is going to give information about himself, like about his name, about his age and school, about what he likes and much more. So without any further delay, let's get started. So here it is, our project on myself is ready. Now let's see how a child is going to say this. Firstly, you are going to write the name of the child over here. Now the child will start with, this is me, and then here he can see his face in the mirror. My name is, you can write here also. Next is his age. So let's see, if a child is 3 years old, then he is going to say, I am 1, 2, 3 years old. I celebrate my birthday on, then whatever is the birth date. So here he will say that I study in whatever the name of the school is, write it over here. Then regarding this building, I'll say if you can get the picture of the building, paste it over here. You can get it from their old books or from the net. So after that, he'll say, I am in class so and so, the class and the division. Then name of my class teacher is, we'll write it over here. Now on this page, whatever the child likes, we are going to write it over here. Now let's say my favorite color is, that you can write over here. Whatever the favorite color is, let it be blue, let it be yellow, let it be pink or white. You can make a small circle or a small rectangle or a square and then paste it over here, wherein he knows that this is the first sentence, my favorite color is. Then you can paste some books over here, and then he can say that I like to read the story books. Then I like to go to the park. Here you can put a picture of the park. Or I like cycling, or I like to paint and draw. Then the name of my best friend is, whatever the name is, you can write that over here. Then I like to play with the blocks, so you can draw the blocks or paste the picture of the blocks. So on this page we are going to tell everything whatever the child likes. If you think he likes some more things, then you can paste the pictures over here around the caterpillar. So after this is done, on this page you are going to paste the pictures of the parents, like the father, mother, younger sibling, elder sibling, also the grandparents, wherein a child can only point it out that this is my father, this is my mother, this is my sister or brother. And if he can tell the profession of each one, then yes, you can add one more sentence that this is my father and he is, so whatever the profession is. Or this is my mother and she is, then about her profession. Then after this, he is going to tell us about where the child lives. So I live in. So I've made this building. You can write the name of the building over here. I live in this building, like now A, B, C, D, E. And then you can write the number of the flat on this door. Okay. And now let's see flat number 1. And then with my family. So paste a photograph of the family, that with whom the child lives. After this, in which city? So here we can write the city. Now last but not the least, I love myself. Thank you. Now in this project you can add many sentences and also you can skip some. Like when I had made this for my daughter when she was in nursery, that time I had kept this, that I am 3 years old, but I had skipped this sentence, that I celebrate my birthday on. Also I have skipped this one, the name of my class teacher is. So now depending upon your child, you can add many and you can deduct some. So do let me know about this project in the comment box below. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up, to share the video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for more such educational videos. Till then, this is Amrapali signing off. Keep loving yourself and happy growing up with your loved ones.